अमेरिका, दक्षिण कोरिया, युनायटेड अरब सारकिल्ले देश भारतीय नागरिकांक विदेशी पर्यटनात प्रोत्साहन दितात. हे चित्र भारता खातीर खास करून गोंयाक महत्वाचे थारूं येता. गोंयचे पर्यटन वाडोवपाक ते आदार करतले. पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन म्हटला. मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंताची येजमानके खाला बेरेस्ताराक गोंय पर्यटन मंडळाची बसका जाली. आयकात ताका.
Unity Mall has been a subjective matter of the vision carried by our Honorable Prime Minister, and Invest India in the country are trying to move it fast. Our Secretary Tourism and Director Tourism have been moving fast on this particular concept. Land identification करून रोखडोच Unity Mall घालप, where closely about a project close to 100 crores under Unity Mall will be given from the center, for which will have products from every state plus आमचे one district one product ODOP and various more things can be put in, which can be quite a tourist attraction. We have proposed a world class, the board has proposed a world class oceanarium under center funds, for which the letter to the Prime Minister has to be given through the Honorable CM has already been moved, and the land which is to be identified at Qtol, which will also have amenities for all air related tourism, is also being proposed and passed to this board today. Beach surveillance project, आम्ही safety of the project करता असताना beach surveillance has become one of the major factors which has been to give that message of clean and safe beaches. Safety issues खातीर surveillance खातीर निर्भया projects जे आसा at the center, talking to the center, we are trying to take help where under this particular part we will be able to support the idea of getting the surveillance right. Mopa airport येतकर we have opened a channel for new flights to come. We have been traveling to Dubai, Portugal and everybody trying to attract more tourism, high quality tourism, and the quality tourism etle jala we need new flights coming in, new flights to Goa, because charter business, although we say, is a business which has been a balanced business. If we need to get quality more over quantity, we need to start reworking on the new plan along with the board that they have recommended. And tatun open sky or point of call or things which can give added seats are required to be bought into Goa. Union Minister Civil Aviation and पहिले 26% aviation fuel आसा ते पहिले कमी करपाक लायले. Honorable CM and ताज्या प्रमाणे 8% fuel aviation fuelaचे टॅक्स हाडलो. आता numbers of flights going up needs to go up, and ताज्या खातीर Union Minister Civil Aviation कडेन उलोवन हो मुद्दो sort out करपाक jointly along with CM we are looking forward to meeting the Union Minister Civil Aviation to get this issue sorted. So internationally and domestically, mostly internationally, we are able to connect more emerging markets.
गोवा 365 खातीर विन्सन रोजारियो, मनीषा जाधव आणि संगीता ओली.